Tonight, legendary hip-hop group The Lox premiered their new documentary Trinity at the Tribeca Film Festival. For decades, Jadakiss, Styles P, and Sheek Louch have represented New York with some of the hardest bars in hip-hop. But what truly sets their story apart is the brotherhood and loyalty they've shown through every era, always staying true to themselves, their craft, and each other. Much respect to these three legends, and a special shout out to Angie Martinez. Your role was pivotal in bringing this documentary to life. This one's for New York. Stay tuned for more on the Lox and their incredible journey.
That get on our nerves every day on the tour bus, recording us and all that, P, I love you, baby. Yo, you're the reason why I even was able to go on. My wife is the reason why I was even able to go on the road, and for him to record us like all them years, you know what I mean? And Ajua, Cheryl, everybody, like, you know what I mean? I watched the movie. I don't know, y'all can talk too, but I'm just excited. Yo, I watched the movie. I'm looking at people that, yo, Biz, I see Gita Barber in there, and like, I don't know where you sitting.
I didn't see you.
Word? Yo, and all the people that's not here, you know what I mean? And we still here. It's a blessing. Yeah.
I just want to say thank you for all of y'all to coming, watching this, or you're about to watch it. Our story is very different. Hip hop is a game. It's hard for you to see brotherhood and loyalty throughout that. But this is 30 plus years in of brotherhood. Take a picture, study it, talk about it, spread the word. Money didn't break us up, whispers didn't break us up, corporations didn't break us up.